Welcome back to the spreadsheet edit channel. So we will continue on the activity trackers, and then today will be the last, this part will be the last part of this video series. Okay, so we will previously we have covered the summary, all these things, all the formulas over here, and then we have built the simple things. Okay, so like timestamp. Okay, so we can have timestamp. Also we can select based on the current slot. Okay, and then we can see the status. Okay, so all this formula be built, and then we also have built the parameters over here. Okay, so other than that, so we will have another things like, okay, the last one, as I mentioned in previous all the projects I show. Okay, so we will come to the conditional formattings. So from here, right, so what we're going to do over here, we're going to highlight the things like whatever been delayed. Okay, so from here we want to highlight until which extent you want to go up to column J or column G. Okay, it's up to you. And then we need to highlight in what kind of colors, also depends on you as well. So for this one, I will highlight this one until here. Okay, so this is the range I'm going to select. And for the Google spreadsheet, we're going to use the shortcut over here. So right click, and then we click on the view more cell actions. Okay, after this this video series, it might be changed because the Google spreadsheet will be changed from time to time. Okay, so by the time now is 2023 December 13. Okay, so from here you see this one. Okay, I will use the conditional formatting. Okay, then this is the cell we can apply, and the things you see over here, the colors over here. So what I interested is I'm going to highlight in the yellow colors, and then I bold the text. Okay, and what is the text I can change? I can change it into red color. Okay, so this is the format. Okay, for this one I'm going to change it with the formula. Okay, so the custom formula is, okay, so for this one you can use value or formula, so I'm going to use a formula. Okay, so the formula will be quite straightforward over here. So the first thing I'm going to check on the delay. Okay, so for this one I quite interesting in highlight the delay. Okay, so the delay over here, obviously we can see in the column J. So of course we need to select the column J over here, so we need to put $sign J and then put 2. Okay, and if this one equals to Y, because there's some things that my keyboard side change. Okay, so okay, so this is the things. So if the column Y equals to yes, J, the column any rows, right, we found Y, it will change. So when you type the formula, you immediately show what's going on over here. Okay, so this is a conditional formattings. Okay, and also you can do more things about that. Okay, so for this project, basically it's very straightforward, and of course we can have more ideas with this, and also subject to the end goal. Okay, so whenever we come to all these things, right, we need to have have the end goal. What's the things you want to achieve towards this one, then you can do accordingly. Okay, so that's all for these videos. Okay, so this is a conditional formattings. As you can see, once I finish everything, right, so I will get the expected things. Okay, so from here I can change it. Let's say this one's like end time if 3 o'clock. So from here, right, let's say I just make it 1 minute delay. Of course it will be changed as well. So this is the things. Okay, so that's all for today's videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.